Hello dear champs, how are you? I'm fine. See what today I'm drawing. Yes, here is a bird and it's a bird body. So this is a tail and now I am lip. This is eye and here is a wings. So and here two legs. Yes, our drawing is done. Now I'm applying border paint. So this is our border paint. Okay, and now tail time, wings, leg, eye, eyeballs, lip and wings. Much okay. Well, now see, now I want to apply the color, and what color is here? See, oh, it's a purple color. So our bird is a purple color. See, at first I am applying the border line. Is our border line? See, yes, okay. And it's almost done. Yes, it's almost done. Now I'm applying here orange color. Yes, orange color is our wings. So here is I'm applying orange color and also tail, also our lip, and it's done. Oh, now I want to write the bird, B-I-R-D, bird. So how is it? Yes, you have to practice it.